Hello, welcome to another episode of Stash or Trash. I'm Leesha, this is Paul, and this is the show, what?
That was opposite hands. Cue the intro.
Hi guys, so today we're going to do another episode of Stash or Trash where we open our Doom boxes of packing that we did when we moved about a month ago and just try and see what's in there, figure out what we want to keep, what we want to donate or throw away. Most of the stuff does get donated. We don't know what some of these boxes are. Sometimes we do. Today we have a box that is labeled Doombox. Whoa!
This one is actually labeled Drop Zone and Drawer. I would like to say this is when we started panic packing. This is probably one of the first boxes that I packed before we even were getting ready to move.
There's a 60% chance that it is just questionable. If I had to guess, it's got random keys, random money and coins, probably a couple of weird credit cards, and dog stuff.
Batteries.
Batteries, hella batteries, lots of batteries, all the batteries.
All right.
Ready?
You ready for the box ASMR?
No, I don't like it. That one wasn't so bad. I guess that's not what I expected to see at the first thing. Okay, but before we get into that, we have a sponsor for today's video. Today's sponsor is Poshmark, which is my favorite way to destash my closet and pick up super cute clothes for way less than retail. Anytime I destash my closet, I always have a section of clothes that I put aside especially for listing on Poshmark, and the app makes it so easy to do that. There are thousands of brands listed for up to 70% off retail on Poshmark. I always look for Express, Boohoo, Misguided. Those are always some of my favorites. As you guys know, we recently moved. While I was trying to destash as we were in the moving process, I made sure to make a box that was specifically for Poshmark. All nice stuff, either barely worn or still had tags on. A lot of it still has tags on. So if you're between the sizes of 6 to 12, there's gonna be something for you. There's a lot of stuff. Make sure you check it out. And just for this video, I'm lowering the prices of a lot of stuff to just $5. Make sure you check it out. There's a link below where you can download the app. I highly recommend it. There's definitely something for everyone, whether you're looking for clothes, home decor, there's all sorts of stuff on there. Definitely worth checking out. You wanna know what this is? PJ would,
Stuff on top of it.
nope, PJ would love this. It's a green screen that attaches to the back of your chair.
Of your office chair.
So you attach it to the back of your chair so that you can just be wherever. I feel like a peacock right now.
You're currently, well, now you have peacock feathers. And now you're in Disney World.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Can you fold that back up and give it to PJ?
PJ
All right.
just takes it. It will never be folded up again.
So that's gonna be a stash.
Yes.
There are times that we use that. All right.
Perfect fit.
Perfect. All right, so next up, we've got the Handless Mickey Award.
Okay, so this was from when we went on the Disney cruise. The hand is somewhere in there. It's just not been Gorilla Glued on yet. But this is so funny because this is the Golden Mickeys. They do like a really cute little award show and you could buy these in the gift shop. And I remember being like, oh my gosh, we need to get one for my dad. He's been so awesome with this whole trip. He took us all, like he's really, like when my dad's in vacation mode, he's just the coolest. So yeah, this is the gold.
Can I give you a hand?
Yay! It fits.
But this does put a smile on my face.
Anyway, so yes, that's the Golden Mickey. I definitely need to glue it on. He's missing like the entire back of his hand, but nobody needs to know that. Could just throw some like clay or something in there.
Yeah, totally.
We,
All right, so
what?
Ramen.
So this is stash.
That is absolutely stash.
Hey, my glasses. Whoa. Oh my God, I can see.
There was some serious.
Got some Tony Stark glasses.
The Tony Stark glasses?
Yep.
These are so dirty.
So we're gonna keep my glasses.
Ooh, there are some scratches. Are there scratches that won? You're holding them in your hand. Oh, that's also, this is what I should have predicted in this box is the deck of Bed Bath & Beyond coupons since they don't expire.
We've got more.
Oh yeah. There's a lot. And you know what? Bed Bath stacks these now, so you could literally...
Are we gonna stash or trash those?
I haven't been to Bed Bath in so long.
Trash
Do you guys go to Bed Bath? You do now.
Gift to PJ. Next up, we have...
My manatee. Okay, so last year, my Discord babies got me the coolest present for my birthday. They adopted a manatee named Mushu in my name. Mushu lives in Florida, and she is amazing. If you don't know, manatees are like my favorite animal ever. I have one on my arm right here. Manatees and narwhals are definitely my favorite. So when I saw when I saw that they had adopted a manatee for me, it was like the coolest thing ever. Should I take these off or just leave them?
Whatever you want.
Okay.
All right.
Hey!
We're gonna... Oh, we got batteries.
1 pack of fresh double triple.
All right, let's speed run some of this stuff. Checkbook.
Checkbook, let's see. Those are good.
Keep. They're also
Like,
Disney based.
Disney. Ooh, it's a scratcher where we didn't win.
Okay.
It's a scratcher where... Why did I keep these? We didn't win. This! Do you have a CD-ROM like that works
In a closet.
somewhere?
Yeah.
Okay, this,
Is that in Carta 99?
It's not.
close. This is actually when I got to swim with the manatees.
Oh.
So when I was pregnant, we went on a cruise, and all I wanted to do when we booked it, I was like, holy crap, you can swim with manatees. This is like lifelong dream. I get there, this is the first person out of any time that actually recognizes that I'm pregnant. Basically, it was the first time where someone was like, is she pregnant? She can't go in there. Those are like 2-ton animals. And I cried and I was so sad. We ended up going back a couple years later with Violet, and Paul's mission, because he knew I was so sad that I didn't get to go to the manatees, was to go back to that same exact place so that I could swim with the manatees. So on here is the pictures of both of us getting to swim with the manatees, and it's literally the coolest thing ever. This is not going in the trash. This is going to PJ's house to see if he can get the pictures off of it.
Here's a box of razor blades.
That's good.
All right, so let's add to that pile then. We've got a oversized ball of yarn.
Wow, for all that crocheting that I do.
You ready to time travel?
Yes.
We've got...
Ooh, I freaking love Mancala. Okay. If you've ever played Mancala, you're missing out. But Mancala is this game that we would play when we worked at Kids Club. And I know I brought up Kids Club in one of the last videos
Do you
too.
know that both of us worked at Kids Club?
We both worked, we didn't work together at Kids Club though. But Mancala is this game where you have all of these like little beads and you have to like try and get them all in your home base thing basically. But I bought this because I was like, I know Violet would like it. And Violet and I have played this and we really, really enjoy it. It's such an easy game, but definitely keeping that.
So we're gonna keep that. All right, let's go through some more bigger stuff.
Oh, is that Monopoly? Is that Pokemon Monopoly?
It is Pokemon. It's red and blue Pokemon.
You know what?
Monopoly.
Red and blue, this is my childhood. And yours too. And you've got what? Pikachu, Bulbasaur, Charmander, Squirtle, Eevee, and Jiggly. Jigglypuff. This... PJ!
Hey, you. Fine.
All right, we keeping?
Yes.
That.
Nice. The Pokemon. Everything Pokemon can't
All right,
be
we've
thrown
got
away.
some more large things. I tried to get rid of this, and Violet insisted I pack it.
Ooh, it's magic clay.
It's magic clay.
She does love magic clay.
She does love magic clay.
Is there an echo?
All right, so we're just gonna
Stash.
blanket. We're gonna stash this. All right, now we've got some assorted stuff. We've got a stethoscope that my mom bought me when I told her I was going to nursing school. I didn't go to nursing school. We've got this, which your dad bought Violet because she wanted to make YouTube videos.
Is that a Zoom?
No, it's like
It looks like a Zoom.
It's like a 2003 digital camcorder.
It's got 6.5 foot shock. Yeah, this.
That can probably go. Got an assortment of books.
Timeless Thomas.
Trash.
Hidden pictures. Some
Assorted stickers.
assorted stickers. Hidden, but you know, you could really see that Violet was super into highlights.
My
yes.
aunt got our highlights and
Highlights.
She never really
liked them that much, but they just keep coming.
Yeah. Ew.
Slime.
This is for PJ. It's slime.
More slime. All right, now we're
Slime.
down.
Trash.
All right.
The trash is the trash.
We've got World Atlas.
A world atlas.
This is from Kiwi Box, by the way.
I loved Kiwi Box, but Violet just never got really into it.
All right, now we are down to the small things.
True care, truth brings. Oh my gosh. This is Velma's pet IDs, right? That look like little licenses. And I just thought they were so freaking cute. So I'd gotten them for Riley and Velma. So it has all their information. They're so cute, and you get to like give them a tagline. Like I said, that she was a celebrity. I wrote cutie booty. I think on Riley's it says she means well. Cute. I will rebuy these when we move because they're so cute. And I think this is so much cuter than just a traditional dog tag. It was a lot more expensive. It was like maybe 30 bucks. But even if she's not wearing it, it's so freaking adorable.
All right, we've got assorted credit cards.
I told you. Bingo.
Redacted. It's holiday.
I probably should figure out which of those is actually still active. What the heck is this?
Scratchers.
More scratchers. No. Oh my god, you know what I just thought of when I was doing this? Auric. I don't know what this is. It says your name.
Yeah, Violet made that for us.
Aw, it has a dinosaur.
There's another one.
There's
that
no
says-
way this fits you.
No, I put the other one on my keys. It says Dad.
Oh, okay. This one says Paul.
Here is 10 euro.
10 euro.
Bucks.
What is this? More clay?
More clay. We've got pretty
That is
pink
hard.
sparkles.
Oh god.
We've got one battery left. It's for garage door opener.
Isn't there another one of that exact one right there?
We've got a spare key to my 1995 Dodge Caravan that was spray painted white.
Why do we have this valet key?
Sentimental value.
If you remember what it is.
I loved that van. That van, like I was able to cram like 10 people into that.
Oh my gosh, I just found a, where did it go? I literally just saw a coupon for free Fat Boys ice cream sandwiches.
Hey, a screwdriver. A Play-Doh knife. A ball of lint. I don't know.
What the hell is,
I kept this. This was for the closet. It's an LED, it's a rechargeable LED light for like a linen closet so you can see.
okay. You want it?
Yes.
It's a Velmy. A little insects, baby Velmy. She looks exactly the same.
Spare remote.
Yo! This morning we had a problem with the TV not turning on, so the fact that we found the other one.
Okay,
I'm not mad at that.
That's
Okay,
left.
watch your head.
Oh God.
Stamps.
We're not gonna keep the stamps? Oh, you're putting them inside. All right, one battery,
I don't trust one.
two
battery.
non-matching batteries,
I don't trust Rogue.
a brown Sharpie, a black Sharpie,
I feel like we're playing I Spy.
a single chopstick, 2 pens,
This sounds like a recipe for the world's worst magic potion.
hardened foam,
Eye of Newt and hardened foam.
3 buttons,
These are PJ's buttons. The Cheeto milk.
Oh god, the Cheeto milk.
2 AAA batteries,
And a partridge in a pear tree.
old band business card, and everything else is just.
Literal trash.
Oh, hold on, we got some coins.
There it is. Look, it hid.
Oh my.
Free Fat Boys ice cream sandwich.
All right.
You can't escape me. There's the coins. I don't want to touch them. Yay! Okay, so this was like a legitimate
Doombox.
random Doombox. I feel like we pretty much 50-50'd it, maybe?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah?
Well, this is all trash, right?
I don't know. I gotta go through.
That's a mixture of we need to look at later.
This is
Okay.
This is like mostly keep, but there's also some stuff like here. I'll keep that because it's funny. But there's like credit cards that I don't know.
Okay,
So I just want to check.
that's fair.
Trash.
The Leish and the Steish and the
Undecided.
maybe. Strash.
Trash.
Strash.
Okay, now the question is, if you put matches in a bottle Are they strike anywhere? Because if not, they're
No.
completely useless.
There's one on the bottom.
Neat.
He's gonna turn that into like a giant explosion and scare the shit out of everyone again. All right, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with us for this episode of Stash or Trash. And make sure you subscribe, hit that bell. I never know how to talk about this stuff, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.